In this video, we are going to see the top 15 highly romantic Turkish series you need to watch with English subtitles, starting with number 1. Medcezir. Medcezir is a beautifully crafted Turkish drama that goes beyond the typical rich girl poor boy trope with powerful performances and deep emotional storytelling. The series follows Yaman, a young man from the rough neighborhood of Tosluda, is kicked out by his mother after being involved in a theft with his brother Kenan. He finds a new chance at life when lawyer Salim Saris takes him into his wealthy home. There, he bonds with Salim's introverted son Mert and helps him reconnect with his childhood crush, Eylül. Yaman meets Mira, Eylül's best friend, and they are drawn to each other, though Mira is in a long-term relationship with Orkun. Mira's life falls apart after her father's financial scandal and her breakup with Orkun. Yaman faces prejudice from Mira's mother Sude and Ender's father, who disapprove of his presence. The chemistry between Çağatay Ulusoy and Serenay Sarıkaya is magnetic, while the supporting cast adds rich layers to the plot. It's not just a love story, it's about second chances, growth, and the impact of genuine relationships. Number 2. Maral. Malal is a young, ambitious girl who dreams of studying abroad and becoming the manager of the famous department store, Luna. She starts working as a waitress in Luna's pastry shop, where her cheerful and lively nature shines. On her first day, she meets Sarp, the rebellious and mysterious chocolate chef, and feels an instant connection. Though Maral believes her dreams are far from reach, fate begins to shift in her favor. As she proves herself through hard work and determination, Maral starts moving up in the company. Meanwhile, her bond with Sarp deepens, and they slowly fall in love despite the challenges. Sarp is haunted by his past, making their relationship both passionate and complicated. Maral's innocence, honesty, and positive spirit bring light into everyone's life. The series beautifully portrays her journey of love, ambition, and self-discovery. It's a story of chasing dreams, facing hardships, and believing in oneself. Number 3. Aliye. Aliye, a beautiful but unhappy woman, lives in Eden with her 2 children, mother-in-law, and sister-in-law in a wealthy household. Her world shatters when she discovers that her husband, Sinan, is cheating on her with a younger woman. Unable to endure her loveless marriage, Aliye decides to leave, taking her children and escaping to her uncle Feyyaz in Istanbul. However, Sinan intercepts her at the train station and takes their son, leaving Aliye heartbroken and torn between her children. In Istanbul, Aliye begins building a new life under her uncle's care while desperately trying to reunite with her son. Sinan, still in love with Aliye, continues to pursue her, but Aliye resists returning to her painful past. Amid her struggles, Aliye finds herself drawn to Deniz, a young and compassionate doctor who rekindles her hope for love and happiness. The series follows Aliye's journey as she battles to protect her children, break free from her controlling ex-husband, and decide whether to embrace a second chance at love. Will she find the strength to reclaim her life, or will Sinan pull her back into her past? Number 4. Aşktan Kaçılmaz, Can't Run From Love. Aşktan Kaçılmaz is a highly romantic Turkish series and best recommended for fans of romance and crime. This series follows Yasemin, Pelin Akila young, ambitious prosecutor in Istanbul, engaged to Ali, Çağdaş Onur Öztürk, a narcotics police superintendent. Together, they work tirelessly to catch a drug gang, but they remain unsuccessful. After Yasemin discovers Ali's affair, she is devastated and requests a transfer to Mardin to escape her heartbreak. In Mardin, Yasemin meets Berzin Berkokte, a young man from a powerful and conservative family. While Berzin is modern and independent, his family is deeply involved in illegal drug trafficking. Yasemin and Berzin fall in love unknowingly, only to later realize that their families are on opposite sides of the law. As their relationship grows more complicated, Ali arrives in Mardin, hoping to win Yasemin back, intensifying the conflict between the two lovers and their families. While many of you may find the wardrobe choices distracting, but I think Aşktan Kaçılmaz is a highly captivating Turkish series with a strong love story, compelling characters, and a tight plot that avoids the usual drawn-out drama, and would highly recommend you all to give this series a try. Number 5. Sevda Kuşun Kanadında, On the Wings of Love. On the Wings of Love is a tragic love story set in Turkey during the late 1960s and early 1970s. Tumay, a rebellious university student from a wealthy, leftist family, fights against capitalism despite her father Zafer's disapproval. She participates in political protests and challenges the status quo. Arif, a young man from a conservative, rightist family, is driven by the desire to avenge his father's death. Raised by his aunt, he dreams of studying law at Istanbul University. Tumay and Arif meet during a protest where their conflicting ideologies clash. Tumay is arrested for her activism, and Arif, who wants to avoid political conflict, is brought in as a witness. Despite their differences, their paths continue to cross as they attend the same university. As they get to know each other, their ideological differences give way to love, creating a turbulent and tragic romance. The story explores how their relationship develops amidst political unrest and family pressures, ultimately testing their beliefs and commitment to each other. Number 6. Al Yajmalim, Red Scarf. Red Scarf or Al Yajmalim is a compelling love story of Asiye and Ilyas. Asiye is a strong woman caught between her deep love for Ilyas and the harsh realities of life. While their love is passionate, it faces constant storms and challenges. Ilyas, the man who truly loves her, risks everything for their relationship, but love alone isn't enough to keep them together. Asiye is forced to make difficult choices, prioritizing trust, effort, and stability over her emotions. Her journey showcases a battle between love and practicality, leaving her heart broken yet resilient. Despite minor plot holes, the powerful performances and gripping story make it a must-watch for fans of Turkish dramas. Number 7. Kertenkele, the Lizard. Kertenkele, a captivating Turkish TV series, blends action, comedy, detective work, and drama seamlessly. The series centers around a skilled thief who outsmarts the Istanbul police, getting tangled in an improbable love affair. Despite Commissioner Ansel's relentless pursuit, Kertenkele continually slips through his fingers until a pivotal encounter alters their dynamic. Accused unfairly, Kertenkele's life takes a dramatic turn, leading him from daring rescues to an unexpected role as a neighborhood imam. His clandestine identity as an imam shields him from detection by Zehra's brother-in-law, Commissioner Ansel, although close calls abound. As Kertenkele's feelings for Zehra deepen amidst the complexities of a fake marriage, the series crescendos with intense confrontations and poignant sacrifices, illuminating the depths of Kertenkele's character and the consequences of his dual existence. Before we dive into the next series, if you are enjoying this video and want to explore new and exciting Turkish shows, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more fantastic content and the latest in entertainment. Number 8. Yazgi, The Faith. The series follows Dunya and Umut, who were switched at birth due to a mix-up at the hospital. Unbeknownst to them, their entire lives have been shaped by this event, with each growing up in the wrong family. Years later, their paths cross, and Umut falls in love with Dunya. However, when the truth about their swap is revealed, both families are forced to confront the shocking reality that their lives have been built on a lie. As Umut's secret identity comes to light, he faces a difficult choice between his love for Dunya and his loyalty to his family. The story explores themes of identity, love, and fate as the characters navigate the fallout from their families' intertwined destinies. Yajgi is a captivating drama that follows the story of two babies switched at birth, leading to emotional turmoil as they grow up unaware of the truth. Erkin Merich's portrayal of Umut is a standout, with his calm yet intense acting bringing depth to the series. The chemistry between Merich and Yagmur Öztürk adds a romantic tension that keeps viewers hooked. With its mix of suspense, romance, and family drama, the series is both engaging and thought-provoking. Number 9. Toprak ile Fidan. This series follows Toprak, who wakes up from a 5-year coma with no memory of his past. His mother urges him to marry Aiden, the woman she claims is his fiancée, but Toprak doesn't remember her. Meanwhile, Fidan, who lost her husband and child in a car accident 5 years ago, lives with her sick father and stepmother while struggling with debts. Fate brings Fidan and Toprak together when he intervenes to protect her from an attack. Fidan is shocked by Toprak's uncanny resemblance to her late husband, Nijat, though he doesn't recognize her. As Fidan becomes the nanny for Toprak's son, Burak, they both try to uncover the truth behind Toprak's lost memories and his eerie likeness to Fidan's deceased husband. Tensions rise as Fidan's past and Toprak's forgotten life intertwine, with secrets about his true identity slowly coming to light. Erkin, a man from Fidan's past, complicates things further with his plans to marry her, pushing Toprak and Fidan closer together. As they delve into Toprak's past, they must face painful truths and confront the unresolved mysteries that link their lives. Number 10. Gumush. Gumush follows Mehmet Sadoglu, who is broken by his girlfriend's death in a car accident, is urged by his family to marry Gumush, a girl who has loved him since childhood. Although Gumush initially rejoices at the chance to be with Mehmet, she soon realizes he is emotionally distant and still grieving his lost love. Despite this, she remains patient, hoping that Mehmet will eventually reciprocate her feelings. As time passes, Mehmet begins to see Gumush in a new light and falls in love with her. The series unfolds as a modern Cinderella story, showcasing Gumush's transformation from a humble girl to a figure of success, driven by her enduring hope and love. It portrays how a single event can drastically alter one's life, echoing the dramatic shift in Gumush's fate. Gumush is a melodramatic series that combines classic soap opera elements with a modern Cinderella twist. While the romance between Gumush and Mehmet starts off engaging, it tends to drag with repetitive plotlines and melodramatic moments, especially during the prison subplot. The character development often feels shallow, and the series' portrayal of certain situations can be overly idealized. However, the show's charm lies in its passionate love story and the transformation of Gumush from a humble girl to a successful woman. Despite its flaws, it is one of the most popular drama series in the Arab countries, captivating millions with its blend of drama and romance. Number 11. Merhamet, Mercy. This series follows Naren, played by Ongi Namal, who emerges from a harsh childhood marked by poverty and abuse. Her alcoholic father, Recep, and an unsupportive family force her to endure relentless hardship. Despite these obstacles, Naren works tirelessly, ultimately achieving her dream of becoming a successful lawyer in Istanbul. She leaves her troubled past behind, severing ties with her family and focusing on her new life. Her closest friend, Deniz, offers unwavering support. However, Naren's world is shaken when she encounters Firat, her long-lost first love, now engaged to Deniz's sister, Irmak. This reunion forces Naren to confront her unresolved past, including familial ties and deep-seated traumas. As the story unfolds, themes of love, betrayal, and personal ambition intertwine, revealing the complexities of Naren's journey and the impact of her past on her present. The series delves into themes of love, ambition, and reconciliation, offering a mix of emotional depth and dramatic twists. While well acted and engaging, the conclusion has sparked mixed reactions from viewers. Number 12. Hijran, Heart Pain. In the series, Hijran is a young woman struggling with the emotional aftermath of losing her child at birth, convinced that her daughter didn't die but is still alive. One day, she saves a young girl named Meleka from a life-threatening situation, which leads to a misunderstanding, and Hijran is temporarily accused of child abduction. Meleka's father, Emre, who is unaware of Hijran's past, later hires her as a babysitter for Meleka, believing her to be a trustworthy person. As Hijran becomes a part of Emre's household, the family dynamic begins to shift. Emre is engaged to Yeliz, his late wife's relative, though his relationship with her is more out of necessity than love. Meanwhile, Hijran struggles with her own personal history, and the two families become entangled in complex emotional and psychological challenges. As tensions rise, various secrets and hidden motives begin to emerge, threatening to destabilize the fragile peace in the household. Throughout the series, Hijran's presence in the mansion has a profound impact on both Emre and Meleka. As the characters face obstacles, including manipulative forces within the family and external threats, they must navigate their complex relationships and hidden truths. The series explores themes of love, loss, and redemption, with an overarching focus on the ways people heal and connect with one another despite the challenges life throws their way. Number 13. Ashk Vejeja, Love and Punishment. In Ashk Vejeja, Love and Punishment, Yasemin, a 29-year-old working in advertising, discovers her fiancé's betrayal a week before their wedding. Heartbroken, she retreats to Bodrum to her mother's home. There, she has a chance encounter with Savas, a wealthy man on vacation, and they spend a night together. Yasemin, overwhelmed by guilt, leaves without revealing her identity. Savas, who falls for her, returns to Istanbul after a family tragedy. Yasemin finds out she's pregnant with Savas's child, whom she names Omar. Fearing the implications of the baby being heir to a powerful family, she hides the child. As Savas manages his family's affairs and searches for Yasemin, the series delves into their complex relationship and the secrets that emerge. Ashk Vejeja, Love and Punishment, offers a mixed bag of drama, romance, and cultural exploration. The series, notable for its compelling performances by Murat Yildirim and Tomris Insa, faces criticism for its shaky production quality and pacing issues. While some viewers appreciate the intense acting and the intricate portrayal of conflicting traditions, others find the storylines dragging and the characters' decisions illogical. The show delves into themes of infidelity and societal norms, but the depiction of these elements sometimes feels unrealistic and morally problematic. Despite its flaws, Ashk Vejeja remains engaging for its exploration of modern versus traditional values and the chemistry between its lead actors. Number 14. Menekşe ile Halil. This is one of the best romantic Turkish series, which revolves around Menekşe, a 20-year-old Turkish girl, and Halil, a Bosnian young man, work together at a Berlin patisserie and share a deep, secret love. Menekşe's conservative father forces her into an arranged marriage with Mustafa, a wealthy suitor. Despite the pressure, she and Halil decide to escape to Istanbul to pursue their love. Their journey becomes perilous when Mustafa and Menekşe's brother, Kadir, follow them to reclaim her. As they navigate the challenges of their new life, they must confront the threats from her family and the traditions that bind them. Halil carries a heavy secret that complicates their relationship further. The series explores themes of love, sacrifice, and the clash between tradition and personal freedom. Menekşe and Halil's fight for happiness becomes a battle against societal norms and family expectations. Will their love survive the turmoil, or will they succumb to the forces determined to tear them apart? Ultimately, it's a poignant tale of resilience in the face of overwhelming odds. This series is a captivating journey through love, filled with rich character dynamics and powerful performances. The chemistry between the leads is palpable, making their emotional struggles deeply engaging. While the beautiful music enhances the storytelling, the bittersweet ending leaves a lasting impact that may not resonate with all viewers. Overall, it's a must-watch for fans of heartfelt dramas. Number 15. Unut Yılmaz, Unforgettable. Harun, scion of a prosperous family, falls for Milda, admired by his father, but his encounter with Eda sparks a secret romance. Compelled by his father's wishes, Harun marries Milda, unaware of her connection to Eda. Eda, suppressing her feelings, supports her sister, yet finds herself drawn to Harun. As time passes, Eda struggles with her love for Harun and her loyalty to Milda. The complexity deepens when Eda learns she's carrying Harun's child, further entangling their relationships. Caught between familial obligations and her own desires, Eda must navigate the tumultuous path ahead, balancing her loyalty and her heart's yearning. Presents a captivating storyline filled with twists and turns, centered around the classic trope of forbidden love. The protagonist's dilemma of being engaged to one sister while falling for the other adds depth and tension to the narrative. Milda's character stands out as a pillar of strength and grace, providing a refreshing contrast to the tumultuous emotions surrounding her. So that was the video, friends. If you wanna know about more Turkish series, then make sure to subscribe the channel and watch this next video.